Hello, I'm Monkey, and you guys are the best!
Why is that monkey?
Well, take a look at our channel.
Wow, that's great. We have some great subscribers.
See, our fans deserve something for their support. So here is a great adventure.
Where I'm probably going to get beaten up.
How did you know? Here are 3 ways you can beat up your lizard. First is the normal way. Next is the luring way. Now take anything your lizard would like and lure him with it. Then once he is close enough, then hit him. Next is the sneak attack. It's simple. Don't let him see you then attack. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more adventures like these. And also thank you for being great members. We wish you the best of luck. Bye bye.